Assalamu alaikum. Today we are here at the 7th annual research project display by the student of the Department of English. Our student worked really hard and we are excited to present their project with you all.
Our project is all about investigating the impact of translanguage strategies on ESL speaking skill. It is basically a COSAC experimental study and we work on a quantitative research.
Assalamu alaikum, miss.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you?
I'm good.
So, as the event is on full swing, so what advice would you like to give to student at this stage?
I think whatever they have done so far in their academic journey, they used to implement this in their future. Other than that, I must say that they have to be hopeful for their future, whether it's about their academic journey or professional life. And it's all about the luck and choices. Whatever they make, it should be fruitful for them. And for them, it's all the very best of luck.
Thank you so much, miss. Assalamu alaikum. We also have our guest external. So, assalamu alaikum, ma'am. How are you?
Walaikum assalam. I'm good.
So, as we have our event related to the projects of different students who work on literature and linguistics, which explore the world in depth. So, what advice would you like to give to the student before entering into the professional world?
Okay, first of all, I would like to thank Jinnah Women University, especially the English department. They have invited me as an external evaluator. And I would really like to appreciate the work, the way they have presented. These girls have contributed to the existing literature in a great way, because all the work are from the contemporary literature, from the contemporary linguistics topics, and these girls are actually contributing in the academia and in the research domains. And I would like to admire their work, and also would like to suggest them to pursue this kind of work, and also to get them published.
Let's move toward the department teacher, which are the roots of our department. So let's talk with Ms. Kurutulayan. What skill you think are the most essential skill for the students before entering into the professional world and before starting their research project?
But basically, I really want to focus that the students, they must have their speaking skills, because when they go on any other place, so definitely the speaking skills really works, and definitely they have to integrate their critical skills as well. So I really give the advice to my students, so please focus on your speaking skills, because when they go on their practical life and when they have to face the challenges, so definitely they have to encounter the first skill, which is definitely the speaking skill. So I really advise to please work on your speaking skills and definitely their critical thinking. So keep questioning and keep exploring, so that the students, they can achieve what actually they want to achieve.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you so much. I want to say this thing that our students are really excited and enthusiastic for presenting their research projects, and I'm also happy that my students, my faculty members, my volunteers and everyone, they have played their role, they have worked hard, and now this event is successful. And I can say this thing that with research projects and everything, our students, they are contributing to the society. So it's amazing, and I'm enjoying a lot.